What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video, I suppose. I'm kind of looking at one of the old coins that's been around for ages, Pancakeswap or Cake. uh, and I've done videos about it in the past, but I think I'm wondering something. So let's just go through the video and let's take a look at what I'm contemplating. All right, so here we are at Pancakeswap, obviously. So I know that this Pancakeswap has been around for ages, but I know that it's been growing, developing. It is on multiple chains nowadays. It launched on BNB back at the start, but it's supporting like a lot of networks nowadays. And I don't know, like I think it still has a lot of potential with basically its earnings, having a little bit of a stable platform where you can yield farm, you can use syrup pools, you can do perp trading, basically leverage trading, DeFi leverage trading. So you don't need KYC to trade on here. Like the platform itself is really, really good, and it being tied so closely to Binance and BNB itself, I don't know. Like I think we look at the price. Obviously, this was during its heyday where it massively pumped, and obviously it's basically reverted back to its starting price at the time. But um, with them burning tokens, actively trading, and apart from that, they have some of the highest trading volume. Like they're above PumpSwap with both their V2 and their V3 is a close second. Um, but their combined market share is like 30% of the market in total, and that's not even in the last 4%. So it is one of the biggest DeFi platforms with one of the highest functionalities and supports multiple networks. Argumentatively, the two biggest ones being Ethereum and BSC. Um, I think it has staying power. Like I'm wondering why the price is so low. And honestly, I traded it a lot in the past, and I staked a lot of it in the past. I actually made quite a good return on it at the time. And back then, I was also really into yield farming and staking, continuous staking. And that actually netted me quite a good profit as well. So if we are going into a more of a bear market for crypto, I'm looking at basically just buying a bunch of cake and start staking it or yield farming it, or staking it and get rewarded in more volatile tokens like a few meme coins or something along those lines, and basically trying to cash out on those, trying to grab some additional income. So I think it's interesting to do this. And with the price being as low as it is, I'm not really too worried that it'll go much lower. Like its market cap, obviously it can go lower, but considering it's already, well, I won't say it's done horribly, but considering it's already corrected itself quite a bit, I don't know. Like uh, this upcoming week, there's quite debatable, but quite a bit of negative news coming. So possibly Bitcoin can correct down another 20-30%. I don't know. I think Pancakeswap can follow that, but after that, if we do get that big crash, I think it will be an interesting buy for Pancakeswap, but a lot of other different tokens as well. But I think Pancakeswap, like I think a lot of people are sleeping on this. It's not talked about anymore. It's very on the down low, but it is developing in the shadows. So I don't know. I'm kind of positive on this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy a bit of Pancakeswap and just start staking and yield farming it. It's always good for a little side income, and the price is, let's say, relatively stable. I think that'll be a good play, especially if we are headed to a bear market where we're not going to get a lot of price movements as well, especially on altcoins. So by the way, guys, I have a completely free Discord group. The link to it is in the description below. I'll post the link to it in a comment as well. Feel free to join it. It's completely free. You can feel free to share your own trading strategies or ask me anything you want in there. Yeah, you're completely free to do that. Also, if you like my content, please leave a like and subscribe, and we can grow my channel and get even more people in, maybe. Hopefully one of the group that I'm forming, we can grow into a nice big community where we can share each other's trades and strategies, basically. I always say like multiple people know more than one person, and I do not claim to know everything, but I think it's good to share some thoughts and strategies. All right, I'm gonna close out the video for with this basically. And once again, if you have a question or have a different play or think Pancakeswap is a very good possible opportunity, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get to you comment section as well. All right, have a great weekend or rest of your weekend, and I'll see you later.